Hello everyone, in today's video we will study Unity 3D software which is widely used for creativity purposes. For this we will visit unity.com and will download the relevant software. We are using Windows, so we will download for Windows. And you can download relevant type of software depending on the platform you are using. Once the download is complete, you can run the setup and follow the steps as shown in the video. Once the setup is completed, the software will ask for a login. This software requires a Unity 3D account. So for account purposes, we will use create account. Now a form will appear. You must enter your relevant information and check the inbox of terms and conditions accordingly. Then click on Create a Unity ID. After this, you will receive an email in which an activation link will be given. Once you click on the link, then you have to press the continue button. And then the website will ask for a student plan. If you wish to continue with student plan, then continue or else visit your account. So my account is created with all the details given. Now open the Unity software and use the sign in option. With this, a browser will open and will ask for an email address and the password. Once you enter the correct email address and password, the website will ask for permission to open the software. So after successfully login, you will get an install option. Get agree to the terms and condition and the installation will begin. Once editor is installed, then you can make a project using Unity 3D software. This was all about today, and stay connected for more interesting videos.